Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am dictating you 500 words legal dictation at the rate 80 word per minute. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1 and go. We recommend to the Department of Personnel and Training of the Government of India to try and make life after retirement easier for a government servant by having appropriate legislation enacted by Parliament or applicable pension rules rather than a khichdi of instructions, office memoranda, clarifications, core agenda, and so on and so forth. When the respondent retired as a train examiner with the Indian Railways, he was in the pay scale of rupees 1400 to 2300. After the 5th Central Pay Commission was implemented, the replacement scale for the post of train examiner, which was apparently abolished, became rupees 4500 to 7000. According to the respondent, the post of train examiner was redesignated as Junior Engineer Grade 2 and the revised pay of a Junior Engineer Grade 2 was recommended by the 5th Central Pay Commission to be rupees 5000 to 8000. The difference in the replacement scale of a train examiner as against the revised scale in the case of Junior Engineer Grade 2 made a difference of about rupees 500 per month in the pension entitlement of the respondent. On 30th September 1997, a policy resolution was notified by the Government of India relating to the scope and extent of the application of the recommendations of the 5th Central Pay Commission and its acceptance. This was followed by a large number of representations from pensioners and resulted in the Government of India issuing an office memorandum on 17th December 1998 to the following effect. The President is now pleased to decide that with effect from 1 January 1996, pension of all pensioners irrespective of their date of retirement shall not be less than 50% of the minimum pay in the revised scale of pay introduced with effect from 1 January 1996 of the post last held by the pensioner. It appears that the confusion continued and once again an office memorandum was issued by the Government of India on 11th May 2001 clarifying the earlier office memorandum. The clarification reads as follows. In the course of implementation of the above order, clarifications have been sought by ministries / departments of the post last held by the pensioner at the time of his / her superannuation. The second sentence on OM dated 17 December 1998, that is, pension for all pensioners irrespective of their date of retirement shall not be less than 50% of the minimum pay in the revised scale of pay with effect from 1 January 1996 of the post last held by the pensioner shall mean that pension of all pensioners irrespective of their date of retirement shall not be less than 50% of the minimum of the corresponding scale as 1 January 1996 of the scale of pay held by the pensioner at the time of superannuation/retirement. The grievance of respondent is directed against the clarification dated 11th May 2001, since the respondent felt the impact of the clarification on his pension. He therefore preferred an original application before the Central Administrative Tribunal. He therefore preferred an original application before the Central Administrative Tribunal for his rightful pension. The question raised by the respondent, as indeed by some others, was referred to a larger bench of the tribunal, and the question referred reads as follows: full stop and over. Thanks for watching the video. Guys, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको डिक्टेशंस टाइम पर मिल सकें।